Hello everybody, Brian Begley here from enCloud9, bringing you another Dynamics 365 sales video. Today we are going to discuss creating and using email signatures in your messages that you send to contacts and leads. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing to our channel. It really helps us out. Now let's get started. So today I want to send an email to Alex, one of my contacts at a client of mine called Trey Research. And when I send this email, I'm starting to send more and more of my emails directly out of Dynamics 365 Sales instead of through Outlook. It automatically tracks them to the client. I can also check from within Dynamics 365 if the contact has opened the email and if they've clicked on any links. So I find myself doing this a lot more than I ever did. In order for me to have an email signature, I need to set that up in Dynamics 365 in my personal settings. So let's go down to get to our personal settings from the Sales Hub. We click on the area down here called Sales. We choose to change the area to where it says Personal Settings. When I get to Personal Settings, we have an option called Email Signatures, and I see I don't have any email signatures right now. So I'm going to first click on the New button. I'm going to create one. I'm going to call it Default Email Signature. I'm going to set this also to be my default email signature. So what that means is whenever I create an email, this signature will automatically be added into that email. Now, in order to start sending out one of these email signatures, what I usually like to do is I'll copy my email signature directly from an Outlook email I've received, and I'm just going to paste it into the email signature block. Now I might want to put in my title here, so I'm going to say salesperson. Let's make sure that we don't underline that. We don't want to take the formatting. I might want to change the font from bold and make it maybe a little bit larger. I could also change the color of the font, so I can make it a black instead of the blue color that it was. Once I have the signature set up exactly as I want it to be, I click on the Save button. Now that I've saved this signature, let's go back to the Sales Hub, open up my contact record. We're going to go into Alex Baker. I'm going to click on the timeline and choose to create an email. And when I do, there's my email signature I just created. I can go back and create multiple email signatures. I can have different versions of my email signature for different jobs that I might do within my company. But because I chose the first one, the salesperson's signature, to be my default, like I said, it's going to show up in every email by default. And all I need to do is just start typing my email out to the customer. And when I'm ready, click send. And we have that signature in there. And that's how you work with email signatures in Dynamics 365 to better brand your email messages to your contacts and leads. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to visit enCloud9.com for more Dynamics 365 and Power Platform resources. This is Brian Begley, and I'll catch you in our next video.